I want to make a video about how to ride a motorcycle with a drop foot. I have had a crash in 2016 with a bike like this, the same model, the same color. It took me almost 4 years to ride the bike again. For me it was very important to learn to ride the bike because after this long journey I have had some sort of PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, a depression. So this hobby have helped me to forget about the accident and to feel normal. So I don't ride the bike extremely like in previous years. Road racing, it's very dangerous, but after an accident like mine you learn how to prevent situations. So because I don't have a movement in my ankle, I have a stiff ankle because I have nerve damage here. I cannot move my foot up at all. I have to adapt. That's why I have asked some people for advice. A friend of mine told me that the guys with the supermoto bikes, also with the SMX bikes, can shift with the heel. So I tried to do this, but with a normal boot it's not optimal. So I bought this boot. This is a SMX Plus from Alpine Stars. So this boot is a very light boot. I recommend to you to try one of these. First of all, I've noticed that on the heel this boot have some kind of edge, which helped me to hook the gear lever when I try to gear up. Of course, to shift down it's easy, just push with the heel down. It's very natural. The other thing is this boot has also this profile, which is very important to me because I can lock my foot on the lever here, because when I ride a bike my foot is always trying to slip down. Another improvement which I did is to glue a plastic fin which is my position when I go to in a corner. When I go in a corner, when my foot is low to the road, near the road, you can touch the ground, and this is not good. This is very dangerous. So that's why I have integrated this fin, this plastic fin, which is of course great. One more time, when I want to shift I use my heel, just pull down. When I want to gear up I hook the boot with the edge and I pull the lever up. When I ride a bike normally, just I have two positions. That's why I have this plastic here. because when I go in a corner, I cannot pull my foot up normally, and the boot is very close to the road. So that's why it's important for me to have this this plastic rib here. In a long trips, I go tired. That's why I have this second lever here. I can relax like this. But this bike is not optimal for my situation, for my injury, because of this extremist riding position. I should buy a more relaxed bike, tourer. Maybe BMW XR will be more suitable for me, but we'll see. So next we are gonna go for a ride, and I will show you how to shift.